It's autumn. Welcome to my kitchen. What if I told you we are going to prepare delicious candies with no artificial food coloring nor flavors? Let's get started. And the main components of today's video will be, that's right, القرع, pumpkin. You could also say يقطين. First step, which is the longest, قطع القرع, cut the pumpkin. نزل كيليان من القرع. نزل كيليان من القرع. Drop 2 kg of pumpkin. نزل. Drop كيليان 2 kgs and من القرع of pumpkin. We're now going to dissolve 2 big spoons of calcium in water. نذيب الكلس بالماء. نذيب means to dissolve. الكلس means the calcium. بالماء in water. Then wait to settle down for 10 minutes. ننتظره ليترسى لمدة 10 دقائق. ننتظره wait ليترسى to settle down لمدة 10 for 10 دقائق minutes. After 10 minutes, we add the pumpkin pieces into our dissolved calcium water. بعد مرور 10 دقائق نضيف القرع المقطع إلى الماء المذوب بالكلس. بعد مرور 10 دقائق after 10 minutes نضيف we add القرع the pumpkin المقطع the cutted pieces إلى الماء into the water المذوب the dissolved بالكالسيوم in calcium. Lock it with a lid and leave it for 24 hours. Good morning! Let's get back to the main video. We will rinse the pumpkin with water. We call this process نغسل القرع بالماء. That's how we say rinsing. For every 1 kg of pumpkin, add a kg of sugar. لكل كيلو من القرع نضيف كيلو من السكر. For every لكل kg كيلو of pumpkin من القرع نضيف add a kg of كيلو من sugar سكر. In my case, I have 2 kgs of pumpkin, therefore I'm gonna add 2 kgs of sugar. Add the pumpkins into the boiled water. نضيف القرع للماء المغلي. Add the pumpkins. نضيف القرع into the boiled water للماء المغلي. Leave it like this for 30 minutes. نضيف السكر للقرع. Add sugar to the pumpkin. نضيف add السكر the sugar للقرع to the pumpkins. بعد مرور نصف ساعة نزيل الرغوة البيضاء. After half an hour we remove the white bubbles. بعد مرور نصف ساعة after half an hour نزيل we remove الرغوة the bubbles البيضاء white the white. After 1 hour and a half بعد مرور ساعة ونصف after بعد مرور 1 hour ساعة and a half ونصف. Just make sure you keep on dabbing them down the whole time, otherwise it's gonna flow and cause a leak. بعد مرور ساعتان ونصف after 2 hours and a half بعد مرور after ساعتان 2 hours و and نصف half. بعد مرور 3 ساعات ونصف after 3 hours and a half the pumpkins are ready to eat. نضيف الجوز نضيف add الجوز the walnuts add the walnuts while the stove is off. We're gonna put the jam into those beautiful jars. looking all lovely and tasty. This is a must try recipe. Thank you for watching and bye!